English is not only a subject but also a language. But our educational system make the English as a subject. So the most of the students of our country, they try to pass in the exam, but they don't try to learn English properly, and they cannot speak English smoothly. They remember the English is very hard, but it's very easy. English is very easy if you try to learn English every day. If you try to speak English every day, practice. If you don't practice English every day, you cannot speak English smoothly, or you cannot learn English properly. So we have to change the educational system, as English is not only a subject, English is but also language. It's the international language, so we have to learn English properly.